Students, let's start with revision again of chapter number 13. And today I will discuss the concept of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a closed figure made of how many sides? Tell me. Very good. Quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure. Quad word is used for four. Whenever you will observe quad, quad means four. Closed word is compulsory. Yesterday, I have explained to you na triangle is a closed figure with three sides. Closed word is compulsory. Similarly, in quadrilateral, closed word is compulsory. Quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure because quad means four. Tri means three and quad means four. Okay. Now I am going to explain the classification. Yesterday we have done the classification of triangles. In total we have how many types? Yes. Very good. In total we have 6 types of triangle. So let's start with quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, first of all, we have, anyone know? First member, rest of the students, write down in the chat box. Pratigya, write down your reply in the chat box. Very good. Parallelogram. The first one is parallelogram. So always you will start with the parallelogram. This is the first type. And what about next? Next. Who is the brother of this parallelogram? I am not talking about further family of parallelogram. Who is the neighbor of parallelogram? In other words, we can say that who is the neighbor of parallelogram? Neighbor. बेटा मैं इसकी फैमिली की बात नहीं कर रही पैरेललोग्राम. हु इज द नेबर ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम? नो, वो नेबर थोड़ी ना इसका, वो तो इसकी फैमिली में आता है रेक्टेंगल. मैं इसके नेबर की बात कर रही हूँ. आपका नेबर कौन होता है? जो आपके घर के साथ रहता है, घर के अंदर नहीं रहता. हु इज द नेबर ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम? वेरी गुड. ट्रेपीजियम नेबर. यस. Mehak, your reply is correct. Kite also correct. Yes. So the neighbor of parallelogram is trapezium. Yes. And the neighbor of next one more neighbor, kite. So in total we have three friends. Okay. 3 friends, parallelogram, trapezium and next one is kite. मैं नेबर की बात कर रही हूं. Now what about the family of parallelogram? Now come to the family of parallelogram. Yes, in the family इनको नेबर बोलोगे. पैरेललोग्राम, ट्रेपीजियम एंड काइट. आपके घर के आसपास घर होते हैं ना, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हमारे नेबर्स. सिमिलरली पैरेललोग्राम के 2 मोर नेबर्स हैं, उनका क्या नेम है? ट्रेपीजियम एंड काइट. अच्छा, एक नेबर होते हैं, एक हमारे फैमिली मेंबर होते हैं. अब पैरेललोग्राम के फैमिली मेंबर्स. सो इन द फैमिली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव rectangle, then we have rhombus. पैरेललोग्राम के फर्दर फैमिली मेंबर दोनों आर से स्टार्ट होंगे. आर स्टैंड फॉर रेक्टेंगल एंड आर स्टैंड फॉर rhombus. नाउ one more member we have by combining these two, square. Now in the end we have square. So this is the classification. This is not mentioned in your book, but this is very important. Quadrilateral. Okay, ये आपकी बुक में गिवन नहीं है, but you have to write down. In total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 quadrilaterals. In total, we have 6 quadrilaterals, 6 triangles. In total, we have, yesterday we have done how many triangles in total? 6 triangles. Similarly, we have 6 quadrilaterals. First is parallelogram. The neighbor of parallelogram is trapezium. The neighbor of trapezium is kite. Then further in parallelogram, we have 2 more members. Okay, starting off both the members with R, rectangle and rhombus. And further, by combining the properties of rectangle and rhombus, we have one more part and the name is square. It means rectangle is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. All are the parts of parallelogram. Now my question is, kite is a parallelogram? Kite. Students, write down in the chat box. Kite is a parallelogram. Stand up. Kite is a parallelogram? No. Very good, very good. Similarly, trapezium is a parallelogram? Stand up. Tell me the explanation why no. वेरी गुड. ये पैरेललोग्राम की फैमिली में नहीं है, पैरेललोग्राम का नेबर है. सो ट्रेपीजियम इज नॉट अ पैरेललोग्राम, काइट इज नॉट अ पैरेललोग्राम, बट रेक्टेंगल इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, rhombus is a parallelogram, square is a parallelogram. This thing is clear to you? Okay, students, if this concept is clear to you, then raise your thumb. After that, I will explain the next concept. Yes? Good. Very good. Sit. This classification is very important. Okay? Now, trapezium. What is the shape of trapezium? The shape of trapezium is like this. This is the shape of a trapezium. Okay? Trapezium is like this. Now, a trapezium in which these two sides, these two, आप देख रहे हो ना ट्रेपीजियम में two sides are like this. So a trapezium in which these two sides are equal. ट्रेपीजियम में ये वाली साइडें हमेशा इक्वल नहीं होती. ट्रेपीजियम में ये जो साइड्स हैं दोनों not equal always. But if these two sides are equal, then tell me what is the name of trapezium? Isosceles trapezium. In trapezium, if two sides are equal, which two sides? ये वाली, ये नहीं कभी equal होनी. If these two sides are equal in trapezium, then the name of trapezium is isosceles. You know na? Iso word is used for two equal sides. Similarly, if in a trapezium these two sides are equal, then the name of trapezium is isosceles trapezium. Note down. Then the name is, if two sides are equal, these two. If two sides are equal, then the name is isosceles trapezium. Okay, then the name is isosceles trapezium. Fine. Yes. Now come to the next. Now come to the next. angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property. Okay. What is the name of this shape? What is the name of this shape? If corners are P, Q, R, S. What is the another name used for corners? Yes, very good. Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Another name used for corners. Very good. Vertex is used for single ke plural. Vertex is used for single, and in the combined form we will use vertices. Okay, fine. Now, if this is a rectangle, the name of this shape is a rectangle. Now, angle sum property means this: P plus Q plus R plus S is equal to 360 degree. Now, students, according to you, this representation is correct? Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Here, PQRS is equal to 360 degree. This representation is correct? Now, Natansh, unmute yourself. Natansh, unmute. Which thing is missing, beta? Something
Angles.
is very good. Clap for Natansh. Symbol of angles. Yes, well done. Very good. Okay. Yesterday I have explained now. If you are writing only P, it means this is vertex. अगर आप P लिख रहे हो, ये P, तो ये P क्या है? Vertex. It means you are writing vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, vertex S plus is equal to 360 degree. This is correct? No. Property is based on angle sum property. So symbol, yes, very much compulsory to put the symbol of angle. Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S is equal to 360 degree. Yes. तो होती नहीं ना, वर्टेक्स की प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ी ना कोई भी. So very much compulsory to put the symbol of angles. Now this thing is clear to you. If the name, this is rectangle. Okay. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite means सामने सामने वाली. Opposite means सामने सामने. Now tell me, from this figure, write down opposite side of SP. Yes, rest of the students write down in the chat box. Which side is opposite to SP? SP के सामने कौन है? SP के सामने कौन है? RQ. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. SP. Opposite side of SP. This is SP. This is SP. Opposite means इसके बिल्कुल सामने कौन है? RQ. So you will write opposite side of SP is equal to RQ. Okay. Similarly, opposite side of PQ. Which side is opposite to PQ? Stand up. PQ. Wait. हाँ. SR. This is PQ. This is PQ. This is PQ ना. देखो इसके सामने कौन है? Opposite means सामने. कौन है सामने? SR. So you will write opposite side of PQ is equal to SR. Fine. So this is the concept of opposite sides. Opposite means सामने. आपके सामने कौन है? अगर मैं आपकी बात करूं, आपके ऑपोजिट कौन है? मैं. ब्लैक बोर्ड. ब्लैक बोर्ड आपके कहाँ पे है? ऑपोजिट में. मैं कहाँ हूं? आपके ऑपोजिट में. ऑपोजिट मीन्स सामने सामने. ओके. नाउ कम टू द एंगल्स. Opposite angle of angle S. Yes. एंगल S के सामने कौन है? वेरी गुड. ओके. एंगल. नो नतांश, नॉट R बेटा. दिस इज नेक्स्ट एंगल. दिस इज S एंड दिस इज R. नेक्स्ट एंगल. जो ऐसे होते हैं ना एक ही लाइन के ऊपर, उनको हम नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट एंगल बोलते हैं, ऑपोजिट नहीं बोलते. S और R दोनों एक ही लाइन पे हैं. ये देखो S और R की एक ही लाइन है, तो ये ऑपोजिट नहीं होते. एक लाइन वाले एंगल कभी भी ऑपोजिट नहीं होते. हाँ, ऑपोजिट नहीं, ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स भी यही है Q. नाउ एंगल S इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q लाइक दिस. साइड्स में आएगा सामने. बिल्कुल क्या आएगा? सामने. एंगल में ऐसे डायगोनली चलेगा ऑपोजिट. इसको ऑपोजिट नहीं बोलते. एंगल्स दैट आर ऑन द सेम लाइन सेगमेंट्स आर नॉट ऑपोजिट. ओके. ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर लाइक दिस. Now, which angle is opposite to angle R? Angle R. Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Yes. Angle R, angle P. And this is the property. This is the property of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Fine. So opposite means angles that are on the same line segment are not opposite. इसको opposite नहीं बोलते. Opposite means like this, diagonally. Okay. Now next we have the concept of diagonals. Yes, anyone? Rest of the students write down in the chat box. What do you understand by the term diagonal and how a diagonal is formed? Very good, Pavneet. Clap for Pavneet, all of you. Yes. All of you clap for Pavneet. Yes, very good, Pavneet. Diagonal is formed by joining opposite vertices. S के opposite कौन है? Q. मैंने आपको पहले बोला S और R opposite नहीं है. S और R both are on the same line segment. So these are not opposite. Diagonal is formed by joining opposite vertices. Okay. So this is diagonal S to Q. This is diagonal. S or Q both are opposite. Join them. So SQ. Diagonals SQ. And what about next? Stand up. Tell me the name of second diagonal. बेटा R and P नहीं बोलना, RP. And नहीं करना. R and P, S and Q. No. SQ. RP. You will not use and. Okay. हाँ, directly PR. Either write RP or PR. Both are correct. Both are the same thing. Yes. This is second diagonal. So this is second diagonal. SQ and PR. Two diagonals. Yes, two in total. We have two diagonals. Diagonals are formed by joining opposite vertices. Okay, this thing is clear? Yes, students. If the concept of diagonals, sides, angles clear to you, then raise your thumb. Very good. Now tell me next. In rectangle, my next question is, बेटा ये जो सारा मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, यही ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, एमसीक्यू, ट्रू फॉल्स में आते हैं. ओके, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन नहीं आते सॉल्व करने के लिए एमसीक्यू, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स में. एमसीक्यू, फिल इन द ब्लैंक, ट्रू फॉल्स में ये कॉन्सेप्ट आते हैं. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? ये जो हम सारा एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट. सो दैट्स वाई सम्स तो आपको 2 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स, 4 मार्क्स में आएंगे. एमसीक्यूज में, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में आपको कॉन्सेप्ट आते हैं. ओके, आएगा. नेम अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल in which each angle is equal to 90 degree. Square is correct. Rectangle is also correct. Okay, so write down. First question is a quadrilateral with each angle is 90 degree. So for this we have two solutions, square as well as rectangle. Write anything, both are correct. Okay, so either write square or rectangle, both are correct. Okay, yes. अगर बनानी आएगी तो बनाओगे. अगर वो आपको बोलेगा ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगल, क्यों? कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले 2 सम नहीं है? कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले 2 क्यों? कितने सम्स हैं? 4 सम्स है कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले, जिसमें मैंने हाँ, अगर वो लिखा होगा ड्रॉ शेप तब बनानी है, अगर नहीं लिखा तो नहीं बनानी. और मैंने आपको 60 का एंगल, 120 का एंगल, 90 का एंगल कंपास से सारे करवाए. सिट डाउन. नाउ राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, वो हम रिवीजन में भी करेंगे, ठीक है? वो मैं उसकी रिवीजन भी आपको करवाऊंगी, कंपास से कैसे बनाना है दोबारा से, नेक्स्ट वीक करेंगे. नाउ आज नहीं करना, अभी हमारा एमसीक्यू का टेस्ट है ना. नाउ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल विद each angle is 90 degree, with each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal. Tell me. Shut up. My next question is, a quadrilateral with each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal. Square. Now the answer is square only, because one more condition given to you. Because one more condition given to you, all sides are equal. In the previous question, only one thing is given, all the angles are 90 degree. That's it. So you can write anything, either write square or rectangle. There will be no compulsion. But in this question, one more condition is given, and that condition is all sides are equal. and this condition is only for square. This condition is only for square. Okay. Now next, so here you will write what is the result. In the result you will write square. So first of all read your question very very carefully. भी वो आपसे पूछ क्या रहा है? ओनली 90 डिग्री पूछ रहा है, 90 डिग्री विद साइड्स पूछ रहा है, क्या पूछ रहा है? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. थर्ड इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल विद ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री and opposite sides are equal. And opposite. Now students write down in the chat box. I am waiting. Name a quadrilateral. Each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are equal. No, Pavneet, no. Very good. Very good, Kratigya, Manmeet Kaur. Rectangle. Rectangle. So in the result, you will write rectangle. This is the property of rectangle. All the angles are 90 degree and opposite sides are equal. अभी मैंने करवाया भी तो है, ये करवाया नहीं था? What is the name of this shape? Rectangle. Which side is opposite to PQ, SR? ये rectangle ही तो था, क्योंकि सेम है. Opposite sides are equal. So this is the mentioned condition is the property of rectangle. So you will say rectangle. Fine. This thing is clear. What is the meaning of diagonal? Stand up. A diagonal is, tell me, what is the meaning of diagonal? In a quadrilateral, what do you understand by the term diagonal? We have just done, अभी की है 5 मिनट पहले. डायगोनल कौन सा होता है? इसको डायगोनल बोलते हैं. ये डायगोनल है. ये क्या है? मुझे बताओ इसमें से वन डायगोनल का नेम. एस. यस, एस क्यू. एस क्यू इज फर्स्ट डायगोनल एंड आरपी इज सेकंड डायगोनल. सिट. यस. A line segment formed by joining opposite vertices. This is the definition. A line segment formed by means line segment जो बनता है, कब बनता है? When we join opposite vertices. This is the definition of diagonal. Okay. Now write down next. My question is, rectangle, kite, trapezium and none. 4 options are given to you. 4 options are given to you. My question is, out of these 4 options, tell me any part which is a parallelogram. Very good. Rectangle. You know na, kite is the neighbor of parallelogram. Trapezium is the neighbor of parallelogram. But rectangle is the family member of parallelogram. Okay. So in the result you will write one more thing. In the result during exam कैसे लिखना है आपने इसको? आप लिखोगे जैसे ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए पार्ट, ये भी लिखोगे रेक्टेंगल. ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम during exam write like this. First a part rectangle. कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ इसको लिखते हैं. कुछ क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ ये लिखेंगे, इसको नहीं लिखेंगे. दोनों लिख रहे हैं. ऑप्शन भी लिखना है, ऑप्शन का रिजल्ट क्या है साथ में वो भी लिखना है. ये करेक्ट मेथड होता है. ओके, ऑलवेज राइट ऑप्शन along with the result. This is compulsory. This thing is clear. Now come to the next question. My next question for you is, 4 options are given to you: 90 degree, 60 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. Question is sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Very good. So sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now if the question is, sit. If the question is, what is the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral? Yes, very good. Then you will say 360 degree. तो देखो मैंने इसमें से ही कितने क्वेश्चन बना दिए, है ना. Sit down. Now my next question is, each angle of a rectangle is, last girl stand up. Each angle of a rectangle is, बैठो बैठो बेटा. Tell me, each angle of a rectangle is, yes, very good, 90 degree. बेटा why are you looking here and there? आपको मैं डेली ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ, आपका ध्यान नहीं होता पढ़ने की तरफ. पेपर कैसे देने हैं आपने? ये मैं अभी करवा के हटी हूँ. Each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree and still you are thinking भी पता नहीं क्या आना है. Now tell me, each angle of a rectangle is, what is the sum of, कोई नहीं बोलेगा, what is the sum of 3 angles of a triangle? What is the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral? Yes, so be attentive in class. Sit down. Now next question is, write down. Name a, next question, fill in the blanks. Dash is a triangle with 3 unequal sides. This is the next question. Dash is a triangle with 3 unequal. Unequal means different. Very good. Scalene triangle. Well done. Here what you will write? Scalene triangle. Scalene. क्या बोलते हैं? Scalene. Scalene triangle. Scalene नहीं बोलना. Scalene नहीं होता. Scalene. Isosceles. हाँ, scalene. 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 Scale बोलते हो ना? Scale नहीं बोलना, L नहीं बोलना. Scalene. Isosceles. You are saying ना isosceles. Isosceles नहीं होता. Isosceles is the correct pronunciation. Now, dash is a triangle. Dash is a triangle. This is a symbol of triangle. Sometime in exam you will observe this symbol. तो ये नहीं कहना ये तो हमें कराया ही नहीं. This is a symbol of what? This is a symbol of a triangle. Okay. So dash is a triangle with three equal sides. Yes, very good. Yes, last girl, stand up, sit. Very good. Dash is a triangle with three equal sides. Equilateral triangle. Yes. Okay. Rest students, we will discuss tomorrow. Prepare well for your maths exam revision test 1 5. So bye bye.